guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today I will be continuing to react to Diana Ankudinova again, and this time it's her performance of Blizzard from You Are Super contest. So without further ado, let's just watch this right away because I'm already so excited. The song is called Blizzard, so I guess no idea about the song, probably a Russian song again. No subtitle? Auto-generated, okay, no. Hoping there's subtitles so I can connect with the song more. But anyway, no problem at all. Let's listen to this. In 3, 2, 1, play. I always love the intro in this show. Very dramatic. And the judges is different. Okay. Are we getting darky, spooky Diana again?
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня...
Come on, push the button right away. I would push the button faster.
И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
Come on, Diana. This is Diana that I love.
Саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укроет.
This song has interesting melody. Very unique.
Ты засыпаешь.
Come on, push the button.
Где-то, но не со мной.
Listen to that. Yeah.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не.
This is a very unique song.
Где-то там не со мной.
Oh,
ты
sing.
не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым.
Interesting progression.
Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзают снова я без тебя.
That's it. Sorry. That's it. That's it. I feel like we just started and it's already over. No. Hey, that was a very interesting song. And also sang by interesting singer. With such an interesting voice. I mean, wow. This is the Diana that I love, guys. I love this kind of more traditional, more like really spooky, hauntingly beautiful type of singing. Diana just has that unique tone, unique style, and fitting with this song. So, for real, I'm recording right now. Stop it. Stop. Yeah, it's amazing. Every time she come up to that stage, she always blew people away, and it's very intriguing. It's very intriguing performance. It's really engaging you from the beginning, captivate you. She is just one of the kind, guys. She is one of a kind. I never heard a singer like this. Just the style, the tone, that contralto voice, that deep, beautiful voice, the control, the choices, her interpretation, her improvisation are just on point. I don't know the original of this song. Is this how it sounds like, or is this another arrangement, another change that she made? But as always, it just sounds like her song. It sounds like her original. You guys should be proud for having her because she is one of the kind. She is talented. She is unique and special, and nobody else can do the same like she did. So that's impressive. Wow. I love her, seriously. I love her so much. Amazing. Okay, I think that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much. Another spectacular performance. See you guys next time, and don't forget, stay safe, stay healthy always. Be positive. New year is coming, so hoping a better future and better life for you guys. So thank you guys so much once again, and bye bye. Спасибо. Thank you. Bye bye.